Hello everyone. Yes, so in this presentation today, we are going to be looking at an example of a Moodle course. In this case, there are many types of courses that you can create. So this is just one example, just to give you an idea on what to expect on your own course page. Your presenter is Mr. P.L. Biswalo. Yes, in this example, I'm going to be using a course CT503, Technology Skills in Education. So normally you should be having a title for your course. These are other menus that you are quite familiar with. And the course code is also always just on this line under the name of the course. Basically, it's up to you how you want it. At the beginning, you can have some welcoming remarks to the students. Like this is a welcome to CTE 503. So if I click here, it will open another page, and all the students will get the information that I would have created. So anytime you want to send a message to your students, you can always click add a new topic, you type it, and then you send it to the students. Then we also have, you can either use the arrow to go back to the main page. My arrows are missing here because of this technology I'm using. So I go back to the main course, to the main page of the course. And after your welcoming remarks, you can see here we have a course aim. This is just a page that is created. It's a resource that normally you can create a page and write in your text that you want. You can also have your objectives. So you're basically on your resources, when you are adding a resource, you just click one of these and you'll get a page that you can put in your information and then proceed from there. Then we have a chart. This is just something I created just for the students before they start the course, just to participate in a chat. So I was asking them a question here, and so this is the icon for chat. So you click here on the chat, and students will always ask you, how am I going to go into the chat? They must click here to enter the chat. So before they enter the chat, they should have read what the question is all about, or what is being discussed. Then click enter chat now, and a new window would open. So normally when students are online, at that time you can see them here, like I'm now online. So the chat, you can type something here and then click send. So that is one of the things that you can do easily when you are working here. So we continue. Then there are other things. Of course, on your right side you have a lot of information which is useful. For now we are looking at the content. What do we have in our content? Here's a social forum. You can also create a forum and discuss. So at the beginning of the course, in this particular course, we have a module for this course. It's a distance learning course. So even if you don't have a module, you can still have an overview of your course. So this is a PowerPoint presentation which has been uploaded for them to read. So you can click here, and then the PowerPoint will open and the students can be able to see what is there. We also, this is a survey. You can have a survey. This topic was brought up, but it's a survey that I gave the students at the end of the course, just to see how they've done and how they feel about the course. So, but I brought it up for them to take the survey. So this link here, normally when you create a survey, it will take you, and the students can click there, it will take them to the survey. Then here is another topic, Introduction to Educational Technology. So you can see there's a difference. Here we have a demarcation. This is you can see this line showing something different. There's another line showing something different here. And so here what I did, I gave them a video for them to view. You can also upload your videos using YouTube. Another way of putting a video is to create a page. If you create a page, you can put your video there if you don't want to see it here at the front of the course. But this also makes it look nice if the students can see the video and they just click play and it begins playing immediately. So after the video, then there's an assignment. I've given them a blog assignment. We do have a blog menu on the right side of your course. Students can participate very well in this blog. Everyone can click here, add a new entry. This is an entry about this course. I could have written something myself as a lecturer, but students can actually add a new entry here. And when they click there, they can type any information that they would like to enter. So they would actually look at the video and then they write something on the blog. Okay, so after watching the video, then there's a task. Here I require them to submit, since they were making a blog, I wanted them to submit the address of the blog so that I can check their blogs to see how they look like. Okay, so this is an assignment icon. I think you're familiar with it. So again, there are other materials I asked them to submit here. So they click here and they do submit. Maybe let's say let's try here and see when a student submits. At the moment, this was a group task. As usual, you can see there were 21 groups and 19 of them submitted. So I think you've seen the clip on how to grade work. So you just view the submissions and continue and grade the work. Okay, let's proceed. Yes, this course is loaded with videos. Here is another video that I had given to students. And then I do have a PowerPoint presentation here, and they need to look at the presentation, and then this is their first assignment. So the assignment is based on what we've been looking at, and also this topic, educational technology. We do have another topic here, educational technology definitions. And again, there is a PowerPoint presentation. There's a task. If they click here, to take them to give them information about that particular task. And then there's a video here, the pros and cons of using technology in the classroom. So they need to click here and then view the video. So basically, since the topic was on definitions on educational technology, then it is useful to have that video for them to see. So you can see this video has a link here, unlike the other ones that you could see here. So this is just a link, it takes them to the video. Then the first unit, you can see again it's the same format, but in this case we have a PDF file. It's a file for the first unit, so even for you can make PDF files like for the first topic or whatever. You can have your PowerPoints here as well. Then you can also have here is another video, but it is embedded. One has to click here to access the video on this page. So you go there and the page you find the video. This is another iChat. It's another activity where the students are supposed to chat. And again, another video on 10 guiding principles of distance education. And then there is an assignment. So basically, these are the main things that at the moment you can have. Forums, chats, discussions, but also you can have, other than assignments, you can have quizzes as well to make your presentation or your lesson to be very well. This was basically a practical type of a course. So the students, they have to do presentations, and we give them lesson plan guidelines, lesson plan example, and then they have to make a lesson plan as an assignment. Okay, so I think this gives us just a quick overview on what you can have on your course. So for starters, you don't have to put too many things so that you don't confuse students with a lot of work. And most of the activities you can check this side to see, and what is there. And also when their students submit work or things happen, or if there are upcoming events, it tells you when it's coming, and if there's a due assignment, it will also show on this side. Alright, so we can stop there for now, and we'll proceed with other sessions. Thank you very much.